Why did you choke out your cat in front of kids? Kids? How do you know kids were there? It was like 1 in the morning. If they had kids there while I was choking out that cat, then, you know, that's their parents' problem, not mine. Made 1,100 subscribers. And to give you an idea, I don't even have half that many subscribers. So, Casey Tron, if you think of it that way, doesn't need that subscription. I do. So if you could give it to me instead of her, I would appreciate it more. And guess what? I bet when you subscribe to Casey Tron, she won't even remember who you are the next day. I will. I remember all of my subscribers, each and every one of them.